Hey, what's up guys? Earlier this week, one of my RAM sticks stopped working. I've started the RMA process to get them replaced, but I figured I could save these as a backup and use this as an opportunity to upgrade to faster speed and more memory. I've been eyeing this RAM for a while now, and I finally pulled the trigger. These are the G.Skill Trident Z Royal. This is 64 gigabytes running at 3600 megahertz. I was previously running 32 gigabytes at 3200 megahertz. Right away, you'll notice the chrome build with what looks like jewels on top. Definitely an eye catcher. I'll give you a second to enjoy the view. Under these jewels are RGB, and they're actually really bright. I only have one PC, and I use it to game, stream, view chat, and listen to Spotify all at the same time, so my system could definitely benefit from this upgrade. As always, thanks for watching.